There are a lot of students who comes with a lot of queries that which test they have to take and what are the differences between the IELTS and the PT. So in this section, I'm going to tell you that what are the differences between the IELTS and the PT. The differences between the IELTS test and the PT is, IELTS test is almost 2 hours and 45 minutes and the PT test is almost 2 hours and 5 to 10 minutes. For the IELTS test, we have two modes of writing the test. Like you can say it's an paper based or a CBT. But when you take the PT test, it is only a CBT test. That is a computer based test. But the TRF is valid for 2 years for both the tests. If you take an IELTS, it is for 2 years. And if you take a PT, it is also for 2 years. Now the task in this, the modules are same for both, but the given task will be different. If you take an IELTS, academic or in general, we have 4 modules. But for the speaking, it is the same. For the reading task, it will be the same. For the writing, there are some changes, but for the listening, it's almost same. But when you come to the PTE, there are four modules, that is listening, reading, speaking, and writing. But for the speaking, there are different tasks like read aloud, repeat sentences, describe image, respond to situations, group discussions. So there are different tasks in that, same as writing also. And for the reading PT also, we have a different task like fill in the blanks, drag and drop. So there are different tasks, and even for the listening is also like multiple choice, single, multiple choice, multiple answer. So these are the basic differences between the IELTS and the PT. So if you want to know more about that, whether you should take the IELTS or a PT, so we are here to guide you. So please do contact us.